This is not really what I want to do in life.
नहीं तू डॉक्टर ही बन, तू CA ही बन.
Everyone is taking risks.
Science is not a cakewalk.
My parents are my best friends.
I would take risk and my parents would not be able to back me up.
Science is at the top, then commerce, then art.
Is the hierarchy stupid?
No, but I don't.
It isn't.
Short one, take one.
I'm Sanya Ahuja. I'm 18 years old. I was born in Haryana, brought up in Delhi, and now I'm here in Mumbai.
Keshav Dhoot from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
Pranavi Menon from Mumbai.
Pratham Dinesh Pawar from Khargar, Navi Mumbai.
Radhika Dhoot from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
पंकज मीरचंदानी. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
Are we on the same page के इस एपिसोड में इंडिया के Tier 1 और Tier 2 शहरों के टीनेजर्स आएंगे आमने सामने.
Tier 1 cities have been washed with westernization. Tier 1 teens just think too highly of themselves.
The first child, I was the experiment child.
The amount of competition, the stress, the pressure, it's just way too much.
वो कितने सिमिलर हैं और कितने अलग? Let's find out. Getting good marks means you should study science over commerce or arts.
मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं और इवन माय कजन्स उन्हें बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स है लाइक 98, 95. देन ऑल्सो उनके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें ऐसा अज्यूम नहीं किया कि पहले साइंस फिर कॉमर्स फिर आर्ट्स.
I think it's totally on us what we want to pursue, either arts, commerce, or science. Because I know people who have cracked NEET in science or are from arts background, but they ended up taking up commerce degree.
There are so many subjects that you're doing in 11th and 12th, and then suddenly you're going to a specialization in college. But what if you're not good at some subjects, but you're excellent at some subjects? Then what do? तो उसमें वो मार्क्स जो एवरेज निकलता है, you can't depend on that to find what is your passion. If you're liking some subjects, then of course go for it. If you work hard, of course hard work beats talent in that case.
How can we determine कि साइंस टॉप पे फिर कॉमर्स है फिर आर्ट्स है? I sometimes feel like कि साइंस तो तब भी इंसान से हो जाएगा. आर्ट्स में जैसे हिस्ट्री टाइप के सब्जेक्ट होते हैं. A person like me can never do that.
I don't agree or disagree with the statement. I'm on the neutral grounds. I just think the segregation comes because I, coming from a science background, I was doing NEET, I was doing medical, but then I left it and then I went for designing. So because I was from a science background, I had the option to change from science to arts. But someone who's from the arts background cannot necessarily go from designing to medical. So I think that is where the differentiation comes from. It's not about which stream is better than the other. It's everything is sorted. But I just feel like if you're not sorted in your head, it's just more convenient to take science because you can always switch from science to arts, but you can never switch from arts to science.
Even I'm neutral about the situation. मेरे लिए easy हो रहा था. साइंस लूंगी, ज़्यादा पढ़ लूंगी. 12-10 साल साइंस ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुकी हूँ. थोड़ा और पढ़ सकती हूँ. 2 और साल टिका सकती हूँ मैं अपने आप को. और टिका भी लिया. But now after I finish that, I know this is not really what I want to do in life. So for me to then shift into a commerce and humanities course, it's very difficult for me because I'm starting from scratch. What students spent entire 11th and 12th also learning, I am here sitting with a question mark for like 90% of my classes during the beginning of the semester. But at the same time, my science background also helps me pick up pace faster. I'm able to understand concepts a little differently than people do, but at least it makes sense in my head and I'm able to answer questions. So
science somehow helps in the course we are doing right now.
Exactly the point. कि अगर कम मार्क्स भी है, then also you can take science.
Yeah,
वो stereotype नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब तुमको ज़्यादा मार्क्स है तो सिर्फ साइंस लो, ये कम आए तो फिर कॉमर्स लो.
No, it's not about the stereotype. See, if you're already not scoring well, science is not a cakewalk. I'm not saying other streams are.
Yes.
But in order to pursue science, you need to sit on your desk for 10 hours straight on daily basis.
and
I disagree.
I disagree with
you 10 hours.
CA, actuarial science, which we
And
go
that is what I said. I'm not saying you don't require this amount of hard work in other courses.
I totally disagree to that because I, being a commerce student in 11th, 12th, studied for 12 hours.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि
is a subject that you can't do.
exactly. So you just
That is what I said. I'm not saying कि बाकी streams में मेहनत
But
नहीं
you
करनी
can't
पड़ती.
courses are hard and all of them honestly depends on the person and how much their capability is according to the time they spend study. Point for me exactly is that science is okay, commerce and humanities, at least the commerce and humanities I'm studying is much more practical. It's much more adultish, honestly speaking. Science is still very
bookish.
theoretical.
You need
It
to
is
be
bookish.
very-
You need to prove stuff.
आपने बोला कि साइंस प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है बट साइंस इज
Practical है. But जो हम पढ़ रहे थे 12 तक at least.
कि टीचर पे डिपेंड करता है कि टीचर कैसे सिखाते हैं
Of course.
मतलब हाउ मच यू एफर्ट डालते हो उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है कि इट्स नॉट
Moreover,
जस्ट
like-
टर्मिंग इट एज बुकिश इज आई थिंक नॉट उस पर
Moreover,
जस्टिस
just
नहीं करेगा
saying ki like science is something like that, arts and commerce are not like that. We should not say it like that because it's just a stereotypical mindset of our society to say ki science is at the top, then commerce, then arts. I was a topper of maths, but I was personally willing to do commerce, and everyone asked me a question that why you want to do commerce? Why shouldn't you go for science? But that does not mean, right? That's because stereotypical mindset of our community says कि science अगर अच्छा marks आए तो तुमको science ही लेना चाहिए.
That mindset even comes because then you know for sure if that child is scoring so much, science उसको समझ आएगा.
No, but I don't.
It is
even.
I know it is a wrong statement. I know it is a wrong statement, but that idea arises, that hierarchy arises because people believe that.
Yeah, that is the
it is
people
not
do
necessary.
believe that, but that is not the truth
That
at
is not
all.
the correct
No, no.
Because I've seen-
It is half of the truth. It is not necessary for a child who is scoring 100% will understand science completely.
Yeah.
But that is not what we're discussing, right? It's about the hierarchy we're
Actually, it's
discussing.
stupid. Whether is the hierarchy stupid?
It is stupid to an extent, but again, it exists.
It is
because you
not
can
right, but it is
always-
not wrong either.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm on the neutral
But
ground.
even if you go from science to commerce, I know people, they guys don't know anything about accountancy. Yeah, yeah.
Me,
She
right
has the
here.
same case. yeah.
I'm sitting with a question mark for 90% of my classes.
If you are trying to shift from commerce to science because you have interest in science, then you have to do the hard work.
You have to do the hard work
See,
regardless.
that's what you have to do hard work in every kind of shift, in every kind of transition. But at least if you have science, you have the
It's
option to
easier.
transition.
It's easier.
The point remains, right, that marks cannot be used as a basis to
Yeah, marks
pick one
can't
of
be
these
used
two.
as a
That
basis.
yes, because marks
you
तो
choose.
रट्टा मार के भी आ सकता है. You can not understand a word of what you've written in your paper, but still score full.
Like in
I've
your
seen-
field, for example, it's completely practical. कोई रट्टा
Yes.
मार के उसको लगा हाँ आर्ट्स ले लूँगा हिस्ट्री पढ़ूंगा.
And if
ऐसा नहीं होता है. It does not work
Few
like
of my
that.
friends from science background who shifted to arts, they are like कि science तो easy था, ये arts क्या आ गया है? ये कैसे
Yes,
हम लोग
I-
learn कर रहे हैं history, geography.
10 तक तो सिलेबस थोड़ा कम होता है and तब तक तुम रट सकते हो. तब तुम 11th 12th में तुम नहीं रट सकते हो. अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता तो तुम पेपर नहीं भर सकते हो.
Exactly.
Tier 1 parents are open to unconventional career choices than Tier 2 parents.
Speaking purely from Mumbai's perspective, you have almost every single career opportunity present here. You can find yourself in a varied amount of fields. And being able to have a platform like that where parents can see and understand as well, of course, that point still remains. The child needs to put on that confidence to like, hey, I can actually make a mark here. Parents, if they really know what's best for you, they will see the passion that the child has. And I feel that it is easier in a tier 1 city to express that passion and prove your point than in a tier 2.
And I think in a tier 2 city too, like people would be more open, I think because of the advent of the internet and people are more connected right now. Overall, I still think that they are in that kind of mindset ki matlab ye fields hai, isme to successful hona hi hai. They don't want to take that extra risk, I feel.
My parents are my best friends and I can talk about anything to them. They have said me that do whatever you want, we are ready, and they have given me that exposure and that space to choose what I want to pursue and not like nahi tu doctor hi ban, tu CA hi ban. It's not like that.
I come from a very small town. My own elder sister is a professional chef. Chef being a culinary arts student is a very different thing. It's not something which society will agree to. It's not just about being supportive. It's like mindset of people. So I don't think it's specifically on tier 2 or tier 1 or maybe mostly it's like mentality of a people and the thing they know or not.
My parents have given me the opportunity to think about out of box, but उसमें risk नहीं होना चाहिए. Goal तेरा होना चाहिए और तुझे उस road map पे चलना चाहिए.
A person coming from tier 2 city can become a successful actor
Yes.
because their parents supported. But a person want to pursue acting from a tier 1 city, I don't think their parents will be supportive enough. It varies from their mindset to mindset. It doesn't depend on the city they come from.
Yeah.
So in a tier 1 city, like there are more people who have explored these options. There are more people who have been in these places. So over here, I think there is more acceptance to the risk that can come with each career. Whereas in a tier 2 city, they are looking maybe move into a metro city, and there they don't want to take any risks.
Everyone is taking a risk. And risk is involved in everything. Like, you want to be a CA, there is a risk. There is a chance you might never clear the papers. कहाँ से मिलेगा job?
My parents come from a tier 2 city and they had very limited options. Even in those limited options, they made a career out of it. For example, I'm pursuing designing.
Okay.
Nobody in my family has done designing ever. It was an area where I would take risk and my parents would not be able to back me up. That's why I think people from tier 2 cities, they just want their kids to pursue a certain set of degrees because they made a career out of it. So even if their kids fail, the risk factor you were talking about.
But it's on you how you take this thing and how you explore. It's not like that if you come to a tier 1 city, then you have more exposure or
Well,
data about it, but you can search about everything on internet.
See,
There's
that-
quite a bit of difference between knowing people who have done that and knowing it from an online source.
Exactly.
If you
It's
know-
easier said than done.
It's
It
totally
even so
dependent.
hugely depends on the financial aspect of the
that's
family.
the biggest
Exactly.
point.
No matter you come from tier 2 city or tier 1 city, it depends largely on how much you can afford.
Yes.
It's about the mentality and financial stability
Yes.
rather than coming from a tier 1 city or tier 2 city.
Hey guys, इन टीनेजर्स की कॉन्वर्सेशन यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुई है,
Yes, there's a part 2 of this video.
जहाँ हम लोग ने सेक्स एजुकेशन और मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात की है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे बनाएं?
कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट्स वर्सेस ग्रेजुएट्स.
Government job versus private job.
आप लोग कमेंट्स में बता दो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू पॉकेट चेंज.